All right, everybody, what's going on? It's JP Morgan. We're back with another video. I wanted to go over our CCIV position and go into a new position I had jumped into. Well, a few positions I jumped into this past week. Um, and so we're going to get started with our CCIV, just give a little bit of update. I closed CCIV at the $60 mark yesterday. Um, If we drop to the lower time frames yesterday, it was stalling a bit over here between 59 and 60. We were getting some wicks to the upside. It wasn't holding well, and we were fluctuating between there and 57. Um, I do think that CCIV still has room to go up, but I am not willing to hold on to a position given the risk involved in holding the position that long. Um, So that position is closed, obviously, with announcement, with official, definitive agreement. We could see we could see CCIV push past 70, maybe even 80, upwards of 100, depending on the hype surrounding the stock. I wouldn't be surprised if that's followed with an immediate drop, though. I'm still very bullish on CCIV, but I feel like it is becoming a bit risky to hold. Um, Given the theta decay on my options, um, I do feel like it is becoming a bit risky to hold past the news because we do already know that the deal is basically done. I do feel a certain bit of it has been priced in, given the recent rise in stock price from January. We're up more than 300%, if not more than that. And so we could see some continuation to the upside, but I am out of CCIV as of right now. The next SPAC play that I'm in IPOF and I am in FCAM, rumors for Discord, um, taking them public. But my favorite SPAC play at the moment is coming from Altitude Acquisitions Corp. And so the reason I'm so bullish on Altitude Acquisition Corp, and if I open my Robinhood here, um, I opened a pretty sizable position. I dropped like 30 grand into it um, this morning, $11.80 this afternoon. Um, Before market closed at $12, and then the push up to $12.90. It was pushing $13, but we closed after hours at $12.90. Um, my reasoning for that is this Bloomberg announcement that had come out, similar to what we had seen with CCIV. Um, so we're relatively close to the NAV price. Obviously, we're still only at $12, NAV price being around 10. But uh, this Bloomberg announcement had said that Boeing backed Ariane, which is a company, Ariane Corp is a company that designs supersonic planes. They are in talks with Altitude Acquisition Corp, ALTU, to go public. It's a it's a pretty sizable deal, $3 billion uh, worth of the deal. But obviously, given Bloomberg's reputation with these announcements, with these quote unquote rumors, we saw what happened with CCIV. If we jump back to January, when the rumors started, early January, first 2 weeks of January, January 12th or so that week, we had seen share prices jump pretty significantly from the $10 NAV price all the way to where we're at today. The highs that we saw, $64. And so these are the types of moves that momentum can bring from these rumors. So obviously, there's a lot of fundamental reasons why Altitude would take Ariane public, but given the $3 billion valuation and they're backed by Boeing and BA, we could see some significant moves to the upside. So if we jump into the chart here, obviously we closed pretty bullish today. There's a lot of upside. There is this gap, but I'm not too worried about it. Like we said, the NAV is $10, and so that is the floor for this particular SPAC. Volume was pretty good today. We've seen some pretty heavy spikes all throughout the day of volume. And as we know, volume precedes price. So moving forward tomorrow into next week, if you check StockTwits, the follower count, I joined the forum board at 91 followers. I think I was the 91st. And right now at market close, we are around 1,200. And so obviously there's a lot of momentum moving into ALTU. We could see an announcement, some sort of announcement, whether it is a confirmed rumor, definitive agreement, whatever it may be, some point soon. But also, I want to go over IPOF. Chamath, I am waiting on an announcement from Chamath. Palpatia, obviously, I bought in. Let's see, where is my entry here? IPOF. IPOF here. I bought in at $15. Right now, we're looking at $14.45, so I'm not too concerned there. But we could see some, hopefully, we're looking for some news pretty soon, some sort of announcement of a target acquisition pretty soon. I do have some options on this as well. I'm down there, completely transparent with my trades right here. So with the people who are looking at this, wondering what trades I'm taking next after CCIV, this is it. So if we go here, let's go to CCIV, Churchill, and we'll show the trade that was closed here. So that was $60,000 trade there within the last week. So some pretty sizable positions there. CCIV did pay off, and like we mentioned, closing it was necessary because holding it at this point with the theta decay contracts expiring tomorrow, I didn't feel like rolling them over in the event that it did become a sell the news event. And obviously, if you're up 60,000 on a trade in a week, you have to close it. That is just a rule of my own, and you have to secure some sort of profit. You don't want to margin call your account being greedy. So obviously now the next SPAC play, again, ALTU. I posted this in my Telegram chat, but for the people in the Telegram chat that are watching it here, it'd be cool to keep up with the Twitter updates. This is where it was initially, I had seen it. The Bloomberg announcement was there first. So that's going to be the end of this video. So I'll catch you guys next time.